Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Teachable course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes you end up with a lot of students and it's hard to manage. So sometimes we bring in VAs or assistants to be admins. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add an admin or a team member, here on the left side, you're going to click on Users. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to be sure to click on Admins. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the admins you have in your account. You can see it's just me right here. However, to add another admin or team member, you're going to click here. Add admin. Okay, in order for you to add an admin, you need to enter in their full name, their email address, and you can create a password for them if you want, or they can create their own. Next, you need to go ahead and choose their access. So you can go ahead and add them as an owner, an author, or custom. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add them as an author, and I'm going to go ahead and fill out this information in off screen. Okay, once you entered in all the required information, go ahead and click on Add New Admin. Okay, a few moments later, the page refreshes, and now you can see we've added another admin into our Teachable school. So they're going to have author permissions. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.